Following the abolition of cultural institutions in Uganda by Dr. Milton Obote's government in 1967, Ankole Kingdom is pretty much the only kingdom that has not been restored since then. And as a result, the kingdom's palace and other significant sites of the kingdom have been in ruins for years. About 4 years ago, 10 billion was allocated to the restoration of the kingdom's palace. Well, that is what we are going to find out in this video. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Eunistes. Let's do this. I'm here and I really need your prayers. I'm even recording indirectly because you guys know once the government starts kind of takes over certain institutions, see me trying to use the safest word, you can't know if you're going to be allowed to record or something. You don't know if you're allowed to even access these grounds. But yeah, this is the gate. I'm trying to see if I can get inside, and if not, I'll just show you guys what I'm able to. Yeah, and yeah, so guys, I finally have not really permission to film, but I have access to the building. The building is completely done, but of course, since I've been told that it's going to act as a culture site, this is the building, which I'm going to show you, in a short while. So I guess this is where they're going to put all those culture things that they're going to, bring in here. I'm thinking we are going to be having maybe the royal regalia, the drums, anything else that the Ankole Kingdom is known for is going to be inside this building right here. Yeah, so as tour guides, I don't know, do we even have tour guides in Mbarara? I feel like tour guides in Mbarara are not serious. I feel like our tourism sites have not really been talked about so much. So if you're watching this and you're a tourist, and you're a tourism site and you're a tour guide in Mbarara, you need to up your game. But of course, this is going to make everything even better. Yeah, so when you're here, you get a view of that is oh, let me show you guys. You're able to see that is Mbarara High School. That is Mbarara High School. Yeah, I got it. And down there is Lakeview. Lakeview is actually, it's a resort, but it is how do I term it? It's also a significant part in the Ankole history. This is actually where the Kabaka's palace used to be, and as you can see, the palace has been in ruins, just like those buildings right there. Yeah, so the compound is pretty much not yet done, just like they said, but I guess we are just going to wait. Here is where you see Abagabe, named as the Ankole, the people, our kings right from the start, all their names, all their photos. Types of the Banyankole. We had crop farmers and we had the cattle keepers. The cattle keepers were called Abarisa, and then the crop farmers were called Abahinji. So this right here is a traditional home of a crop farm. 90% everything they used in their homes were from cows. As you can see, this is also another setup. There is a yanzi, that is where millet and milk is stored, and all that process of making ghee out of it. That is why it takes place. Then there is a kid seated on a cattle skin, also called Oruhu. But for you guys that have known me for a long time, you know that I worked for Orumuri. I think I left in about 2017. So the first newspaper was called Ageterine, then Agar Ankole, then Orumuri. Those are the impapura z'amahuriro z'Orunyankole n'Orukiga that we had. But of course, apart from the newspapers, they also had some other means of communication. That the guy is holding is a trumpet and zamba. Yeah, and then there was also the use of drums, very many things that they used to communicate. And then currency, from the bit where we used to use the cowrie shells to all that, really. The coins with holes in them. Yeah, as you can see. Orugusyo. Then you have the calabashes right there, also known as FCC. And then you also have this bit of the clans of Ankole. We have Abami, Abahweju, Abarigata, Bene Kagenda, Bene Muhiji. Quite a number of them. That is actually my clan. I'm a Muchimbiri. So hey Bachimbiri watching this video. Yeah. Obukomooko bw'Abakimbiri. Ebite byonna bigira ngu Abakimbiri bakakomoka aha muchwezi wamara wabiratwire wire butatya kyeyihangira omu Karagwe wamara akazaara Ruhinda keitira Kakimbiri na Kairuntu. Kakimbiri niwe yarugireyo yarugiirweho Ruganda rw'Abakimbiri. Okay.